Did you download an older version of CapCut and then the app updated itself without consent to the newest version? Here's how to fix that forever and where to get older CapCut versions. Go to this website here, link is in the description as well. Now choose a version that you want. I'll be choosing 2.3.0 and then hit download. Now click on the .exe file and download CapCut. While you do that, go to C:\users \your PC name \app data \local \CapCut, where the new folder will have been created. Wait until the app is installed and then we do our magic. Now go to CapCut, then to user data and then to download. When you're here, add a new text file and just change its name to update.exe and apply. After that, make sure that the file is read-only by going to Properties. And that's how you keep staying on your version forever. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.